One of the projects we've been working on this week is finishing up everything when it comes to our bedroom. A lot of little things, but one thing I wanted to do was to get some curtains up, and I partnered with Quince for today's video. I picked out these beautiful room darkening linen curtains that are super high quality. Quince is your one-stop destination for high quality essentials, everything from clothing to home items. A good percentage of my wardrobe comes from Quince because I do find that they're just staple pieces I wear again and again. I have some linen Euroshams on my bed from Quince. I added striped linen sheets to our boys' bedroom, which I think are just so beautiful and really make the room simple but beautiful. From 100% grade A Mongolian cashmere and buttery soft bamboo bedding to 14 karat gold jewelry, cast iron Dutch ovens, and Italian leather bags, Quince brings all the high-end essentials together in one place. By working directly with top-tier manufacturers and cutting out the middlemen, Quince gives you exceptional quality without the markup. Quince only works with factories that use safe, ethical, and responsible manufacturing practices and premium fabrics and finishes. I started getting a lot of my clothing and home goods from Quince probably about a year ago, and since then my mom has started shopping on Quince. My daughters love the Quince denim. We are all loving the quality and the prices. Upgrade your wardrobe, home, and more with high-end essentials from Quince. Go to the links in my description or scan my QR code right here and get free shipping and 365-day returns. Love this sourdough strawberry quick bread recipe, new over on the Farmhouse on Boone blog. Now I have the full printable recipe over there. This calls for a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, half cup sourdough starter, 1/4 cup milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, but I did 280 grams of soft white wheat berries instead. Worked perfectly. 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and 1 1/2 cups of chopped strawberries in there. Now I also did a little strawberry icing at the end with a half a cup of powdered sugar, teaspoon of milk or heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of crushed strawberries. So again, make sure to head over to Farmhouse on Boone. I actually recently did a post where I shared over 10 strawberry recipes for summer. I'll leave that linked below as well so you can get some more ideas for those fresh strawberries. Maybe. Right here.
Okay.
Or maybe like right here, because this is part.
I'm using this, Mama, to get it out.
Press down around it a little bit like this.
Mama, can I do another one? I don't know. Mama. Yeah. This stuff? Like that stuff.
We have a whole plan for this area that is off of the sunroom. We want to do a patio, probably some kind of stone. We want string lights and a table, and all of that is coming, but it's going to take a little bit. So for now, Luke just built me that herb garden. I can't go a summer without fresh herbs and flowers. This is another new recipe that I've been really loving, that I'm very excited about using more often. It is sourdough English muffin bread. So the dough comes together a lot like English muffins if you've made those before. And the next day, just like with the English muffins, you add baking soda to it. So it gives it that English muffin flavor. It also doesn't need a ton of time the next day or during the second rise to rise. So it can be made very quickly in the morning. To get the full recipe, you can go over to farmhouseonboone.com. I will also link it below. This is optional, but it really looks pretty and like an English muffin, a giant English muffin, to add cornmeal on all sides. We are having some friends over from out of town, actually Stacy from the From Scratch Farmhouse. You might follow her here on YouTube. She also has 9 children, and she and her husband and all of their kids were on a huge road trip. They went down to Florida. They were traveling back home, and where we live, Missouri, happens to be on the way. So we decided to do barbecue. So we're just gonna grill up a bunch of burgers and hot dogs and make potato salad and macaroni and coleslaw. So we are making a ton of buns today. So we're making sourdough hot dog buns and sourdough hamburger buns. I do have recipes for both of those over on my blog, but really I just tripled or quadrupled or whatever. I don't remember how many times we did this recipe, and divided half of them and shaped them into hot dog buns, and the other half we shaped into hamburger buns. So it's all the same recipe, just shaped a little bit differently. Luke is working on painting the exterior of the sunroom doors. I cannot wait to get this area looking beautiful. I might just
bring the other equipment over here for them. Get them used to it. I don't know if they can. It's all in the back of the truck. I'll go down and get it.
Make sure you don't go out. It can go out. 10. This is 10. That's 11. One. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, right? 11. 12. 13. This one's so yellow. 16. 17.
Well, I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me around our new farm, our new farmhouse. If you are interested in watching us continue to do projects here on this farm and in our home, make it more of a home, decorate it, sew things, build things, all that fun stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for stopping by our farmhouse.